Welcome to the Daily Jing for Monday, October 16th. Here's the quote of the day. The main cause of incomprehensible prose is the difficulty of imagining what it's like for someone else not to know something that you know. Steven Pinker, Sense of Style. Let's go to the schedule. It's the 8th week. We're starting cross today and view and do 3.3 on cross. At the end of the week, familiar essay first draft is due, or due a week from today by 6 a.m. Let's go back to the notes. There is a not so subtle difference between the first familiar essay and the second. In the first, which we're doing now, you are to look inward in how you play, and in the second, you are to be the observer on someone else's play. So for the first one, you're speaking from your I perspective, first person, and the second one, you're speaking in the third person, no I. The writer is always present in these two essays. In the first, he or she is writing about self. In the second, that self is in the world and is reflected in the subject under examination. Okay, so I went through some of your view and do's again, and some of you are not writing 300 words, and so you're getting only partial credit. I also went through and graded your second paper. So here on the view and do, you need to write 300 words to get full credit, except for the 3 procedural view and do's, which only require a short summary and only get two points. There's only 3 of those. So going to the view and do's for the second paper, which I've not graded yet, the reflection invitation paper, and the paper you're working on now, the familiar essay, and make sure that you write 300 words. Use these view and do's as pre-writing exercises for your papers. Okay, so nothing should be wasted here. You should be using these exercises so that you can understand how to write the papers. Okay? All right. The question of the day is, what discussion are we starting today? We're starting the cross discussion. Thanks.